Institute of Engineering and Technology. My topic is Bonnet and Barre of 5G technology. Before starting my topic, we have to know about what is 5G technology. 5G technology stands for the fifth generation mobile technology. The first generation from first to fifth generation, how technology changed, what do with it. First generation introduced in 1980s, second in 1990s, third generation introduced in 2000, fourth in 2010. Now fifth generation will introduce in 2020. The average speed is 1000 to 1400 Mbps. Now, what is the bony or barrier of this 5G technology? First, we have discussed about the bony of this 5G technology in healthcare. It will reduce the pharmaceutical research and development cost after this COVID time, video appointments for non-life-threatening ailments, the development of AI, of robotics in surgery. Nowadays, AI doctors will treat the patient and more efficient and health fitness monitors. How we convert cities and home in smart cities and home by using 5G technology. More video, less time. 5G technology brings with it lower latency and enhanced the internet speed. Nowadays, we have solved our many problems by watching video. It will also save our travel time. Other positive impact of 5G technology is the support of augmented reality and virtual reality. Internet of Things. This term has been introduced about from a few years now, but 5G is making IoT a reality for many businesses. It will also be much more efficient. Remote distance working. For many years, this concept of remote working has been considered, but there are some various cultural and technological issues have solved and moved. 5G technology in transportation industries. Countries which have high rate of accident will benefit from an introduction of 5G self-driving cars. It will improve the road safety and also increase the mobility, which reduce the congestion. Bone of this 5G technology. First is detecting from the aesthesis. The erection of more cell phones towers or extension of existing cell phones tower is not welcomed by most communities because they are seen to diminish the overall look and feel of the area. Now, obstruction can impact the connectivity. How? The range of 5G connectivity is not greater as the frequency wave. They are only able to travel a short distance, and 5G frequency is interrupted by physical obstructions such as trees, towers, walls, and buildings. The cost related to the development of 5G infrastructure will be very high. When it comes to cellular devices connected to 5G, it seems the battery are not able to operate for a significant period. That is why battery drain on device is one of the limitation of this 5G technology. Last but not least, limitation of rural areas. While 5G might bring about real connectivity for predominant urban areas, those living in Pietro, people living in rural areas will not necessarily benefit from this connection.